Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners on Bob Ichino. So we had the next key levels, 12,650 to 12,755, spiking up to that 12,755 and then closing right above our 12,650 level. Testing it again with the next spike up, coming to the rotation zone and the key prior resistance becoming support area. And rotating back up, we can now update these levels and see if we have any nice new clusters. So next cluster area, if we get above 12,800 again, 13,200 to 13,260, and then, sorry about the squeak, the dog just got the toy, and then 13,600. So those are your next two levels, and then through that we'd just be watching for a return to the highs. Your key level support, I'm just going to be watching about this 12,250 level. If we close below that, then I'd be watching for a return to the bottom of the rotation zone with this little support ledge. Essentially 12,000. It comes in right now just below that, but just slightly below, but I'm just going to watch the 12,000 area. Let's check the bigger picture with the daily chart. So if that did not hold and we got an even bigger pullback, we'd be watching 11,750 right with the rising rotation zone. That'd be the next level down, and below that major support now coming in 11,100 to about 11,150. So that's where you're looking for Bitcoin. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum now spiking up. We had the cluster 317.50 to about 318 we talked about yesterday. Spike up, hitting it twice and then pulling back. Still not a strong rotation back up, coming back to the support level with this little shelf here with the rising rotation zone. Spiking just below that, but still back into the rotation zone. Be watching to see if it closes below 303. Might get some minor support down at about 301, but 303 we'd start watching for the bigger pullback then. And we'll check those key levels on the daily chart. What I'm going to do now, we have 322.50 with this bigger pullback. I'm going to raise this up. Now it's 324. I'm going to roughly watch 324 out with these highs, and then we now have a major cluster at 329. So those are the new targets, the upside. Remember, you can always come in here, draw a trend line or a best fit line, watch for it to go rotate back and close above it. And let's zoom out to the daily chart to see our key support. So 301 is really going to be a level based off the daily I'm focused on. Here's that 303. I'm going to bump that down to 301 based off the daily chart because that's where the rotation zone is. We have these two lows right about 302.50. So if we get below those two lows in the 301 level, then I'll start watching possible pullback to 295 and then 284. Those are all your key levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.